destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you struggling with a sloped yard that feels like wasted space? Or perhaps you're worried about soil erosion ruining your garden? Today we are diving into the world of retaining wall landscaping. We're going to show you how to turn those difficult inclines into stunning multi-level masterpieces that don't just hold back the earth. They elevate your entire home's aesthetic. Let's get started. Retaining wall landscaping refers to the strategic use of protective structures designed to restrain soil to unnatural slopes or levels. These walls are engineered to resist the lateral pressure of soil and water, essentially holding the land in place where there is a significant change in elevation. In a design context, it is the art of turning a functional necessity into a decorative feature, using materials like stone, timber, or concrete to create distinct tiers, garden beds, or leveled living areas within a landscape. The primary benefit of a retaining wall is the prevention of soil erosion and downslope movement, which protects your property's foundation and landscaping from washing away during heavy rain. Beyond safety, these structures create functional flat land out of unusable hills, allowing you to install patios, pathways, or lush gardens where they weren't possible before. Additionally, a well-designed retaining wall adds significant architectural interest and curb appeal, which can substantially increase the market value of your home. To make a retaining wall look truly high-end, start by incorporating softscaping to balance the hardscaping. You can plant cascading greenery like creeping thyme or rosemary over the edges to soften the stone lines. Lighting is another crucial element. Installing recessed LED wall washers or solar-powered cap lights can create a dramatic glowing effect at night. You can also mix textures by using natural stone veneers or adding built-in wooden bench seating directly into the wall structure to blend functionality with beauty. Retaining walls have both practical and design-related purposes in gardens. In sloping backyards, they play an important role to help prevent soil erosion and help make the space more functional. And many retaining wall ideas can add interest and cohesion to a landscape design. Depending on the retaining wall's material, height, and size, calling in the pros to help with the job could be a smart move, especially if you are incorporating walls to help prevent erosion. You may also need to obtain a building permit from your local government agency for walls above a certain height and specification. Check out these stylish garden retaining wall ideas to offer some inspiration. One, modern poured concrete walls. The white poured concrete retaining walls give this modern garden a clean and light feel. Using them as easy-to-keep raised beds works well in this low-maintenance Mediterranean-inspired space. The drought-resistant palms and shrubs add color and interest. 2. Timber retaining walls. While stone or concrete are the most common construction materials for retaining walls, sometimes, as in this example from Supreme Green Landscaping, they can be constructed from timber. It's worth noting that timber walls will likely need replacing sooner than more durable stone varieties. 3. DIY dry stack walls. You don't need to use any mortar when building dry stack retaining walls. They add visual interest, drain naturally, and are one of the easiest types to DIY build. 4. Driveway retaining wall. A budget-friendly low retaining wall lines this long, sloping driveway, leaving room for grass, trees, and plants to grow without inhibiting flow. 5. Home entry retaining walls. The stone retaining walls used in this garden have created terraced interest leading from the pool to the modern home's entry. 6. Cottage-style garden walls. It's common to use retaining walls to add texture and character in informal cottage-style gardens. Let the moss grow over the rustic stonework or create a living wall with hardy flowers growing from the cracks. Flower beds often sprawl over the edge of the walls in a riot of color. Here they complement the beautiful pink flowering magnolia tree. 7. Front lawn retaining wall. This short brick retaining wall creates a transition between the sidewalk and the raised front lawn. The house number is displayed on the front of the wall with integrated lighting. 8. Retaining walls and xeriscaping. Xeriscaping is a way to landscape a garden in regions that practice water conservation or are prone to drought. The plan typically avoids or minimizes lawns and uses a variety of drought-tolerant plants. The walls create additional interest in a simple design. 9. Garden retaining wall. A retaining wall helped turn this outdoor space into a flourishing garden planted with white, pink, and purple flowers. The retaining wall also serves as a back for a wooden bench that adds extra seating. 10. Sunken patio with retaining walls. This sunken patio is surrounded by natural stone retaining walls to create a lush, hidden country garden feel. Once the retaining wall is done, you can even DIY a fire pit. 11. Multi-tiered design. If you have a large sloping garden, using tiered retaining walls to create multiple terraces can add interest and help to prevent erosion. This clever design has walls that also act as raised beds to add interest, make good use of the space, and keep the garden relatively low maintenance. Shrubs and hedges smartly differentiate between the spaces. When a garden has multiple tiers, think carefully about the plants you choose and where you plant them. Position the taller plants at the back and be aware that the higher levels typically dry quicker. Placing moisture-loving plants in the lower terraces for better results. 12. Terraced flower beds. The natural stone steps and terraced retaining walls with a variety of flowers and shrubs soften the hardscape around this beautiful pool. 13. Ornamental grasses. These wide retaining walls are home to beautiful shrubs, flowers, and dramatic ornamental grasses for year-round interest and differing heights. 14. Flowered retaining wall. A stone retaining wall lining the glass-walled staircase of this backyard pool contrasts organic and man-made materials and provides a place for multicolored flowers to bloom. 15. Cohesive and functional. Integrating the retaining wall into the stair design leading to the house's front door combines functional and design elements and gives a focus to the garden with the bright raised flower beds. It's amazing how a bit of engineering and some beautiful stonework can completely redefine the boundaries of your home. Whether you're building a small garden terrace or a massive structural tier, a retaining wall is an investment that pays off in both beauty and peace of mind. We hope these designs have inspired you to take a second look at your yard's potential. Which of these retaining wall styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your DIY plans. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert outdoor living tips. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a transformation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
you.